Hello, good afternoon students. Today we are going to introduce trigonometry to class 10th. Now tell me students, have you ever wondered, have you ever thought how we can find the height of a tower, height of a building, height of a tree without climbing it? Or have how pilots know the angles at which the plane takes off, isn't it? So these types of are the real problems that are solved with the help of this trigonometry, isn't it? So before learning the new terminologies, definitions, we will recall what we already know. So you already know about the triangles, in particular right angled triangle. So what is right angled triangle? So in which one angle is 90 degree, isn't it? So now what is trigonometry? So I will write here trigonometry. Trigonometry is measurement of angles and sides of a triangle. So actually the word trigonometry is derived from two Greek words. So one is trigon. Trigon means triangle, and another word is metron. Metron means measurement. Isn't it? So what trigonometry is? The measurement of triangles. So what we measure in a triangle? The question is what we measure. So in triangle, which you already know about a triangles. So there are 6 components in a triangle. 3 angles and 3 sides. So now we define some special things in the triangles, but especially we use a right angle triangle. So what is right angle triangle? A right angle triangle. So right angle triangle is just when there is one 90 degree angle, isn't it? So let me name this triangle as A, B, C. So these two sides, this one and this one, these are called perpendicular legs, and clearly this is the longest side in the triangle. Longest side. Now defining some special ratios in a right angle triangle means our main motive is to measurement of a triangle, means the sides and the angles. So two sides, they are called perpendicular legs. So we have to given them, we have to separate these names to perpendicular legs. What we do? So you can see that, because you know some of the angles of interior angles of a triangle is 180. So we fix one acute angle. Let me fix it here. This is theta. That is denoted by theta. This is a Greek letter theta, isn't it? So now the names with respect to this fixed angle theta, isn't it? So we give the names to the sides of the right angle triangle. So longest side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, longest side. Now these two perpendicular legs are separated, distinguished by means of this fixing one acute angle. So that side which is adjacent to this fixed angle, acute angle, we call it a base. So base is side adjacent to theta, and the remaining side, side opposite to this theta, it is called perpendicular. Side opposite to this fixed angle theta, isn't it? Now, to measure the sides and angles of a triangle, so there is a relationship between these three sides and angle, but the names are given, the three sides have given names as per this acute angle theta, isn't it? Now we define three spatial ratios. Spatial ratios. So perpendicular, which you already know what is perpendicular, divided by hypotenuse. This is called sine of theta. So we simply write it as sin like this theta, isn't it? So second one is isn't it? So we define second one. So it is, look, one ratio we define this perpendicular, opposite side opposite to this theta, and the longest side. So there remains one side, isn't it, which has a relation with the longest side, means hypotenuse. It means this is the ratio, this is exactly correlation with the previous ratio. That is why we call it a cosine. So it is the base divided by hypotenuse. So this is called cosine of this fixed angle theta. So in short we write it cos, but we read it as cosine theta. And the third one is the ratio between these two perpendicular legs, but the first preference is given perpendicular, so it is perpendicular divided by base. We call it tangent of theta, and in short we write tan, this angle theta, but we read it as tangent theta. Is it clear? Is it clear? For example, we have a right triangle. For example, this is 3 centimeter, 3 units. This is 4 units. Here it is 90 degree, and this is 5 units. Let me fix this acute angle. So it means this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. So what is sine theta here? It is 3 by 5. What is cosine theta here? It is 4 by 5. What is tangent theta here? It is 3 by 4. Is it clear? So that is how we introduce this trigonometry. What are the basic definitions, terminologies we need to understand, isn't it, in trigonometry? So trigonometry helps us to find the heights and distances that cannot be measured directly by using measuring tape or other device, isn't it? Like the height of a tree, I already told you, the height of a building, isn't it? The height of a mountain. Is it clear? So we use these trigonometric ratios, isn't it? So I think this is enough for today.